Hello friends, I Dr. Chinu Agrawal, am a psychologist. Today I'm going to talk about gratitude, meaning the feeling of being grateful. Friends, Charles Plumb was a jet pilot in the US Navy who took part in many combat missions in the country of Vietnam. But one day, his enemies destroyed his plane. And though the plane caught fire, he landed safely on the ground with the help of a parachute. He was captured and he spent several years in jail. When he was released, he returned to his motherland. One day, he was having a meal with his wife in a known restaurant. That time, a young man approached him at his table and he asked, "Are you Charles Plumb, the jet pilot?" Charles got up and he shook hands with the young man and said, "Yes, but how do you know me?" So he replied, "I have seen you many a times because I have been a part of the crew of your plane." Charles was surprised and asked, "What was your role in the crew?" "I used to pack the parachute." That night, Charles kept tossing uncomfortably on his bed. He was unable to sleep because of what the man said. The reason Charles was alive today was only because of that young man. And he didn't even know him. Why didn't he ever stop and talk to that young man before? He never even thanked him before. This incident shook him to a great extent. Even in our lives, there are several such helpful people who pack our parachute every single day. And we are what we are due to these people. We are alive and successful. But sadly, we tend to forget due to our hectic schedule. We don't even stop and look at them and express our gratitude for their noble deeds. So friends, let us make a list of such beautiful people. And the people who would top that list would be our own parents, who dedicated their entire lives for our well-being and future. But I am very sure that we have not got the chance to express our gratitude. Our teachers, who made our childhood memorable, who taught us love and self-discipline, the essential art to live our lives. And then the list would have those who supported us, who trusted us wholeheartedly, who gave us the courage in difficult times, the ones who lifted us when we fell many a times, the ones who helped us in our difficult times, the ones who were a part of our happy moments without whom our life is incomplete and has no meaning in real sense. But many of us never bother to express it to them. The father of positive psychology, Dr. Martin Seligman, says that having the feeling of gratitude towards those people who helped us and expressing it openly, both are very good for our mental health and emotional development. This has been experienced by many of us. This not just gives confidence in subjective well-being and are essential to be followed, they also keep us away from depression and anxiety, therefore keeping us away from mental illnesses. Some researchers have also proven that by having the feeling of gratitude, our heart, which is an important organ of our body, also stays healthy at all times. So let's see how we can make gratitude a part of our daily lives. This has 3 steps. First step, form a habit of preparing a gratitude list. Take a diary and name the diary as Gratitude Diary. Take out 5 minutes from your daily schedule, write everyone's name who have contributed majorly to your life and made it worthwhile. Second, gratitude contemplation. Repeat all those important things which they have done for you. When this feeling is reflected on, you will feel very positive about it and you will experience the secretion of happy hormones in your body. Third step, from your gratitude list, choose one individual every day and write a letter of gratitude to that person. You might feel very emotional while doing so. You might even have tears in your eyes, but keep writing and then have the courage to meet that person and hand out that gratitude letter. Doing this won't be easy at all because we are not used to expressing positive emotions to other people. But make the habit of writing gratitude letters as a part of your daily lives. And soon you will realize that this is the correct way to live and experience life in its true sense. And in the end, I would like to express my gratitude for listening to me so patiently. Thank you.